Friday. Well, it's actually red hot buys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can make more to review videos, so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday deals. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So this is valid through November the 1st through the 30th. So this is technically the Black Friday deals that they have every year. They just decided to name it something else. Red Hot Buys, Rapid and Red Ace Hardware. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. This is your choice here. $59 Craftsman Power Tools. So it looks like you got some sort of detail sander, or that's actually oscillating tool, a multi-tool. You got a belt sander, a circular saw, impact driver, or drill driver. Those are all $59 each. My guess, it does come with 2 batteries and charger, each of these tools. And then here to the right, we got $99, which is a pretty good deal for these. Definitely jump on these if you're, want to get into a platform. Spend the extra, go DeWalt. All right, so we got $99. Not unless you're really on a budget. For $59, we'll get you going there. So $99 your choice here. You got the DeWalt 20 volt max power tools, power stack battery. So there's a power stack battery in here. Oh yeah, there it is right here. So we do have a power stack battery. You got a sounder. This is brushless sounder, I believe. You got a reciprocating saw. You got impact driver kit, 1 battery, charger, and a case. And then you got drill driver, battery, and a case. So all those are $99 each. All right, so on to the hand tools. This is actually a pretty dang good deal for all these. Make sure you guys check these out and stock up on these for the whole year. You got $5.99. You got Craftsman and Stanley tools accessories. You got a pry bar. You got a utility knife. You got a toolbar or a tool bag. These are pretty nice. Not the biggest, but it's pretty nice. I saw it at the store. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that video, because I will be posting a video. I did go to the. You guys don't know, I do go to the stores. I do, shoot basically the tools physically, and I let you guys know what's up with the deals. You got some sort of organizer here. You got some Stanley pliers, a nice little set. You got a tape measure. All right, for $99.89, you got your choice here. It says Craftsman tools and accessories. All right, for this one, you get a big bag and a small bag, two tool bags, or maybe each. I think you get both of them. You got a stapler, you got a drill bit set, and a impact driver set. That's nice. I gotta look into these. And then $19.99. This is a little bit better or more expensive deal here, but still pretty good. You got this DeWalt bit set there with, looks like an extension there to the right, so that's pretty good on that. And then yeah, guys, this one's every person that has a garage or has an impact driver needs to have a tool like this. This is a right angle adapter, so in case your impact driver does not fit into space, you can choose this right angle adapter for $19.99. And then you got some reciprocating saw blades from the DeWalt's. All right, so $19.99, you got the Milwaukee's. Definitely jump on these, guys. It's the same as the Depot, but you get a little bit variety here, a little bit more variety. So if you don't like the Depot deals, jump on these, guys, because there's some different ones. Like something different is the screwdrivers here. This is actually a pretty good deal on these screwdrivers, so definitely jump on these. These are actually cheaper. This is $19.99, all these. And then you got the Fastbacks 2-pack. And then you got the 2-pack of tape measures, and then you got a bit set there. And then I believe that's a 6-in-1 or 7. I can't remember, but it's a nice pliers there. And then you got the 27-in-1, which I did get. I actually have it here. We'll be making a video on that one. So great deals on those. Let's see what else we have. We got some Christmas lights. What is this? Gift. Big green. A genuine Wi-Fi enabled interactive temperature controller. Some temperature controller. You got a grill there. Let's see here. That's not a tool. So tables and chairs, $59.99. 6 foot folding table. What is this? Oscillin ceramic heater for the garage, $79.99. Got some batteries. They save $1. All right, so Eagle blower, it's on sale. You got the Eagle Power 56 volts, 765 CFM handheld blower, 329. Does it come with a battery or not? This includes a 5 amp hour lithium battery. So it is a kit, so that's pretty good. If it comes with the battery, yeah, definitely check it out. And then you got 20% off on all these accessories. These are all smart devices. Let's double check those. You got some inflatables there for the house. You got a ladder here on sale. It's a Warner ladder, $149 down from, does not say, yeah, $169. So $20 off on that one. This is a 225 pound capacity type II. So, and then 16 footer extension ladder. All right, let's see what else we have. We got some Christmas trees. All right, so on to the Milwaukee. You got the buy one get one free. So this is actually a pretty good deal. And I did not see these deals. Somehow my phone was messing up, so I had to do it here in the computer. So I did not see these. This is buy this get one free. So you buy what says, I guess you have to buy the $3.99 because they make it here backwards. But I think you have to buy the $3.99 and get a free tool. That's pretty much what it is. All right, so you got a $3.99 deal. This is impact driver and hammer drill, 2 batteries, charger in a case, a hard case. You can choose from router, one-handed reciprocating saw, jigsaw, and angle grinder. Definitely recommend these guys. These are pretty good deals. Same thing with these. Let's see, $199. Says Milwaukee M18 brushless compact drill driver kit or impact driver kit, and get a free tool. Not necessarily the best deal, guys, because I believe at Home Depot they're like around, I don't know, but you can get them to like I don't know if they're $199. They're $100 each. Yeah, I guess it's the same thing basically, but it's a little different. If you guys want the subcompact or the compact brushless, so these are the newer. These are very new. They only have a few months out at the stores. And they are brushless. So, and you get one of these for free. So you choose from the oscillating tool, the sander. Sander's not brushless. Got the battery or the radio there. It's easy to give for tools for gifts. All right, so $99. There's drill driver combo kits. These are brush tools. M12. $99 for the 2-pack of 3. It looks like 3 amp hour batteries. And then you gotta buy one get one free. So you buy, let's see here. I did see this at the store, by the way. So you buy this rolling case and this 3-door pack toolbox, and get the middle box for free, the large toolbox for free. So this is actually a pretty good deal, guys. If you guys are looking to stock up on these, make sure you guys check this out. It's pretty good. Alright, so here's another one. It says Ace Rewards exclusive instantly. $50, save $50. Combo kit does not say the price. It says compact drill driver or impact driver combo kits. So I don't know the price, but you save $50 on these. I don't know exactly what they're doing with that. So you got to buy one of these and get the power tool for free. So you buy the power stack, the new power stack battery kit or starter kit, and get a free tool. And you can choose from the impact driver, oscillating tool, one-handed reciprocating saw, and I guess there's more. Impact wrench, compact router, orbital jigsaw, oscillating multi-tool, one-handed reciprocating saw, compact circular saw, and cut-off saw. So you can choose from all those, obviously they're not on the picture, but they're listed there. So definitely jump on this one if you're looking to get into the yellow, or this one. This one's actually a pretty dang good deal. $149, the DeWalt 20V max drill driver, impact driver battery kit 2-pack. So you get 2 batteries, 2 tools, charger, and a case, and it's $149. So it's pretty good. And then same thing with these. I believe that there are $149 a piece. All right, so another buy one get one free. So you buy one of these and get a battery for free. Yeah. So you buy the impact driver or the drill driver from Craftsman, or you can buy the blower and the string trimmer kits, or the impact driver drill driver circular saw, or impact driver drill. I don't know what they're doing here. They have a whole bunch of pictures here, by the way. You got a 2-tool combo kit, a 4-tool combo kit. Okay. So 4-tool combo kit, 2-tool combo kit, and the OP equipment, you can get a free battery, basically. I believe it's a 4 amp hour battery. It says limit 4. Alright, on this one, this is buy the starter kit. So you buy the starter kit and get a free tool. Guys, this is a vacuum, guys. This is a newer tool. Oh, that's a pretty good deal. For $99, you get a vacuum and a battery. So yeah, this is something I did not see before. This is the first time I see it. So it's a newer tool on that one. Definitely jump on that one if you're, if you already have all these tools. You got the reciprocating saw, oscillating tool, circular saw, and the sander. I did have this reciprocating saw. It's not the strongest, but it does work. It is pretty strong, and it does get a little bit on the vibration. You get some vibration on it, but still pretty good. It does cut. It's strong enough to get, do pretty much everything. You got $14.99, your choice here. You got some combination wrenches. You get a Craftsman. Looks like a bit driver, and then you got a small socket set there. So pretty good deal for $14.99. You got $99 your choice here. You got a 256 piece mechanics tool set or 104 piece, so depending on what you want to get. And then this one's $129 each. It looks like 230 piece, and then you got the, what is this? The oil-free pancake compressor. All right, and then Craftsman 2.5 gallon vacuum for $20. Wow, that's pretty cheap. Definitely jump on that one if you're in a budget. Get $19.99. All right, so you got the Craftsman Versastack wheeled tower box for $99, and then 25% off on select Dremel power tool accessories. You got some mugs here. It's a limited edition Jetty. You got a heater $149. Some batteries for $9.99. Stock up on them for the flashlights. And that's it, guys. Yeah, definitely check out the buy ones get one free, guys. If you guys are on a budget, I'm thinking of getting this vacuum. I already have one, but why not have another one? Something different. But yeah, these packouts, let me tell you, they're pretty good deal on this one. That's it, guys. That's it for today. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.